Hello there, and thank you for your interest into this introductory course in psychopathy. Now, you'll likely have seen many TV shows and movies, such as Dexter, Bates Motel, and The Silence of the Lambs, and by now have a very strong working definition of what psychopathy is, as well as how psychopaths look, move, and talk. For some of you, you'll also have some information about real-life psychopaths, such as Ted Bundy, the Cray twins, and Ian Brady and Myra Hindley. And you'll know that when such psychopaths do offend, they do so in unimaginatively callous and unemotional ways, lacking empathy in everything that they do and say. If you want to learn more about psychopathy, then this is very much the course for you. Throughout this course, we'll be challenging these preconceptions of what psychopathy is. Specifically, we'll be exploring early conceptualizations of psychopathy, as well as how we test, categorize, and risk assess psychopaths in the modern day. Moreover, we'll be exploring the constellation of factors which we use to define a psychopath, and see how these facets map onto criminal and maladaptive behaviour in both the general population and forensic settings. Such facets will be explored through psychological models of behaviour, whereby I will challenge you to consider which potential precursors to psychopathy you buy into the most, and why we might put greater weight on some over others when trying to risk assess psychopathy. Such precursors include biological mechanisms such as brain injury and genes, as well as psychological risk factors. We also draw from the social environment and how such individuals were brought up, their peer groups and their role models. Finally, we'll be looking at how psychopathy, in some situations in the absence of antisocial behaviour, might be considered adaptive, and we'll be introducing you to the role of the successful psychopath. Let's see how much you buy into that by the end of the lectures. If this sounds interesting to you and you'd like to learn more, please do sign up to this course, and I look forward to welcoming you in the first lecture.